Good morning, children. I once again welcome you all to the English class. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter in English grammar. Okay? That is chapter number 7. Possession. Nouns, possession. Okay? So, children, we are going to start a new chapter today. This is chapter number 7. Nouns, possession. To understand this topic, let us see few examples. Look at the first example, children. The book of Ram. Whose book? Ram's book. The book of Ram can be written as Ram's book. Okay, in another way, the book of Ram I can write in another way as Ram's book. किसकी बुक है? राम की बुक है. Ram's book. Or you can also say the book of Ram. So this sign that you can see here on the top, children, this is called apostrophe sign. Okay? Apostrophe. Let us see one more example. Example number 2. The bone of dog. Whose bone? Dog's bone. So, the bone of dog I can write in another way as the dog's bone. Yes or no, children? Both are having the same meaning, but I can write in two different ways. First way is the bone of dog. The second way is the dog's bone. The meaning of both the sentence is same. Okay? And here again you can see this sign. This is called apostrophe sign. I will explain you about this. Okay. One more example. The diary of the teacher. Whose diary? Teacher's diary. The diary of the teacher, I can write this sentence in another way as the teacher's diary. Teacher I will put apostrophe sign and then S. The teacher's diary. Let us see the next example. Example number 4. This bag is of Meena. This is a sentence, children, right? I can write this sentence in another way as this is Meena's bag. मीना की बैग है, राइट? ये दो तरह से लिख सकते हैं. वी कैन राइट इन टू वेज. दिस बैग इज ऑफ मीना और दिस इज मीना's बैग. इन बोथ द केसेस, चिल्ड्रन, द मीनिंग इज सेम. ओके, इन बोथ द सेंटेंसेस द मीनिंग डज नॉट चेंज. सो चिल्ड्रन, what is nouns possession? What is the chapter talking about? Okay, let us see some more examples in your book. Let us see the first one. This is the table of the teacher. How can I write in another way? Look here. This is the teacher's table. Apostrophe sign is here and S. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Apostrophe sign. This is called apostrophe sign. And we are going to put S. Okay? This is the teacher's table. See the second example. These spectacles belong to the teacher. So this can be written in another way as these are the teacher's spectacles. Okay? Look at the third example. This desk is of Avantika. I can write this in another way as this is Avantika's desk. By putting apostrophe sign and S, I can write this statement in this manner. Let us see the fourth example. The water bottle of Ramya is on the desk. Whose water bottle is on the desk? Ramya. So we can write Ramya's water bottle is on the desk. Okay. So children, what is possession? Possession means that the thing belongs to somebody. And to show possession, we use, what do we use? Apostrophe sign. This is called apostrophe sign. Can you see here in the picture, children? I have highlighted the color. This is called apostrophe sign. This is not a comma. Comma is written below, down, but you are writing apostrophe sign on the top. Okay, so to show possession or ownership, we use apostrophe sign. So let us see few examples. Now children, there are certain rules that you need to remember while putting the apostrophe sign. In some places we write apostrophe and S, and in some places we don't write S, we only write apostrophe sign. Let us see where. Now children, look at the first question given in page number 22 of your grammar book. Rewrite these sentences by replacing the underlined group of words with apostrophe followed by S to show possession, belonging. One is done for you. Look at the first example, children. We have to rewrite the sentences by changing the underlined words. Okay. The necklace of my mother is made of pearls. So this sentence can be written in another way by putting apostrophe sign as my mother's necklace is made of pearls. Okay. Next, see the second example, children. The boat of Arnab is new. So these words we have to change by putting apostrophe sign and followed by S. So how are we going to write? Sorry, here it should be, children, B. Okay, Arnab's. So the boat of Arnab is new can be written as Arnab's apostrophe you write and S. Arnab's boat is new. A full stop. Okay, this is apostrophe sign and then you write S. Let us see the next example. The shop of the tailor is in the market. How are we going to write this in another way? By putting apostrophe sign, children. Look. The tailor's shop is in the market. The shop of the tailor can be written as the tailor's shop. Okay, you have to put apostrophe sign and S. Let us see the next example, number 4. The eyes of this baby are blue. So the eyes of this baby, how are you going to write by putting apostrophe sign? The baby's eyes are blue. Okay, here eyes you will write. The baby's eyes are blue. Next, the house of Rita has 6 rooms. So the house of Rita can be written in another way as Rita's house has 6 rooms. Okay, Rita apostrophe sign and you write down S. Next, 6th one is the scooter of Mr. Gupta is white. So the scooter of Mr. Gupta, whose scooter? Mr. Gupta's scooter. So you write down Mr. Gupta's scooter is white. In place of the scooter of Mr. Gupta, यहाँ पे बस लिखना है Mr. Gupta's scooter. Okay, and rest of the word is same. Is white, you will copy as it is. Next, 7th one. Mother has locked the toys belonging to Raju in the cupboard. So you will write mother has locked as it is. Same we will copy. Now it is saying the toys belonging to Raju. These words we have to change and write by putting apostrophe sign. The toys belonging to Raju, how are we going to write, children? Mother has locked Raju's toys in the cupboard. Toys of Raju और the toys belonging to Raju को कैसे लिख सकते हैं दूसरे तरह से? Raju's toys. Okay? Let us see the 8th one. A friend of Neetu is coming from London. So a friend of Neetu. This we have to change by putting apostrophe sign. So in another way we can write Neetu's friend is coming from London. Whose friend? Neetu's friend. So Neetu you write down, you put apostrophe sign and S. Okay, Neetu's friend is coming from London. So therefore children, noun's possession is used to show the ownership. It means that the thing belongs to somebody. Okay, so you are going to do the first 8 in your book, and the next exercise in the next class we are going to discuss. Okay, so this much you do and then we'll discuss more. Have a good day children. Thank you.